Welcome to Club Academia, where learning is not just about textbooks, but about connecting, creating, and conquering challenges together. Join us as we unveil the inspiring story behind this platform, a journey fueled by passion, innovation, and the power of youth. Shilpa, as a high school student, grappled with the pressure of excelling in academics. Endless hours of study often felt unproductive due to the lack of effective resources. Online tutorials were either too long or too complex, leaving her more confused than enlightened. She realized that her friends often had a knack for explaining concepts in a way that made sense. Why not harness this potential to create a platform where students can teach and learn from each other? This was the genesis of Club Academia. Club Academia is more than just a platform. It's a community of young minds united by a shared passion for learning. The vision was simple: to create a space where students could teach what they know best and learn from their peers. While Club Academia empowers learners, it also benefits the creators. The process of making a video solidifies knowledge, develops essential soft skills like presentation and communication, and boosts confidence. The driving force behind Club Academia is Shilpa Yarlagada, a student from Palo Alto, California. Shilpa's passion for education eventually led her to Harvard University. While at Harvard, Shilpa's entrepreneurial spirit ignited, leading to the birth of Chiffon Company, a direct-to-consumer fine jewelry label. What started as a dorm room project blossomed into a global sensation. Chiffon's signature piece, the adjustable duet pinky ring, has captured the hearts of celebrities worldwide. From Michelle Obama and Serena Williams to Nicole Kidman and Emma Watson, A-list stars have adorned themselves with Chiffon's elegant designs. Beyond fashion, Shilpa's commitment to empowering women is evident in the Startup Girl Foundation. Half of Chiffon's profits are dedicated to funding female-founded businesses, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Club Academia's impact resonated far and wide, earning her the prestigious Wesley Prize. Founded by Steve Wesley, a renowned entrepreneur and former California controller, the Wesley Foundation supports innovative initiatives like ours. Steve's expertise in business and technology has been invaluable in guiding our growth. Club Academia is just beginning its journey. Our goal is to reach millions of students worldwide, providing them with the tools and support to achieve their full potential. Join us in building a brighter future through education. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share your knowledge with the world. Together, we can create a global community of lifelong learners.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
Alright.
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.